If you're starting from zero right now, no savings, no audience, no special qualifications, and you want more ownership over your time, this is the smartest first move you can make. Not something risky, not something complicated, something practical. If you want to begin building leverage, start with a simple freelancing skill. Specifically, Canva design. And here's why. You don't need to be creative. You don't need to be a designer. You need to understand one thing. Small businesses need simple visuals. Instagram posts, menus, flyers, basic ads, presentation slides, and most of them don't want to make them themselves. Now that gap, that's your opportunity. You're not trying to become an expert. You're trying to become useful. Now you're not stuck because you lack knowledge. You're stuck because you haven't built leverage yet. The first form of leverage isn't money, it's skill. Step 1, pick one narrow skill. Don't try to do Canva. Pick one lane. For example, Instagram carousels, posts for small businesses, restaurant menu redesigns, real estate social posts, event flyers. One. That's it. If you're watching this after a long shift, don't overcomplicate it. Pick one direction and commit for 2 weeks. Step 2. Get good enough. Not perfect, but good enough. Spend 7 to 14 days. Watch tutorials, recreate designs, study spacing and layout, improve consistency, create 3 to 5 mock designs. They don't need to be for real clients. They need to prove to you that you can do it. Confidence comes from evidence. So step 3, offer it. Now you move. You can create a Fiverr gig, apply on Upwork, message small local businesses, email gyms, cafes, estate agents. Now, will you get ignored? Yes, that is normal. Your goal isn't 10 clients here, it's 1. 1 client replaces 1 bill. That's the beginning of ownership. Freedom isn't money, it's control. A job gives you security. Leverage gives you options. And this is where you begin building it. Now, this won't replace your salary next month, but that's not the point. The point is building something that belongs to you. Even if it starts small. You're not behind, you're just under-leveraged. If you want more ownership over your time, start small. Pick one skill. Commit for 2 weeks. Send the messages. In the next video, I'll break down exactly how to land your first Canva client step by step. This is Passport Profits. We build income you can take anywhere.